Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Lab with Alakesh Thakuria. Today we will see how we can install Microsoft Graph module on Ubuntu. I have already installed the PowerShell on my Ubuntu. Okay, so once I will install the Microsoft Graph on my Ubuntu, I can manage the Entra ID users and group from my Ubuntu machine. First, we need to open our terminal on our Ubuntu system. So this is my terminal, and then we have to change it to PowerShell mode. Okay, PWSH. Now we have to type the command to install the Microsoft.graph module, and the command is install module Microsoft.graph scope current user force verbose. Okay, so we are using force install okay, with verbose output. So if there is any issue, so it will show us the output. Let's hit enter. So finally, the Microsoft.graph modules got installed. Okay, so this used to take a long time, as this is a very large module. Now let me clear this, and we can verify whether the modules got installed or not with the command get installed module Microsoft.graph. And as you can see, we have the version 2.28.0. Name is Microsoft.graph from the repository PS gallery, which is a PowerShell gallery. Okay, and this is the description: Microsoft Graph PowerShell module. Okay, so that's how we can install the Microsoft Graph on our Ubuntu machines. Okay, to install the PowerShell on Ubuntu, please check this video. Thank you.